Okay, so this is 2 BHK model flat house of SATTVA, which is about to launch. This is the room. Seems like master bedroom. This is still under construction, it seems. They're finalizing a couple of things. This is your master bedroom attached balcony. This is your living area. That's a Budigere cross to Airport Road. This is your foyer area. This is the kitchen. And this is your utility space. It is utility and kitchen is together only. It's pretty spacious from 2 BHK point of view. It's like a 1280 square feet. And this is your guest bedroom or kids bedroom. And that's another.